My name is Randy Moore, and I'm the CEO of PocketRecruiter. You know, Recruiting Dailies, I'm a fan, and I think they run good programs, so I thought it would be exciting to kind of get a first-hand look. I think for so many years we were running one way and one way only, and now I think this race to technology and all of these things is exciting because, you know, it kind of adds a new zest to a business we've been in a long time. In the next 2 years, I'd hate to say I know. Now that systems are advancing themselves a little bit and getting self-intelligence, it's going fast. So within 2 years, I think that a lot of the remedial tasks will be better perfected, and I think recruiters will have even a better opportunity to engage and really sort of show what their true colors from a presentation point of view is where I think it's going. I think a lot of the upfront funnel tasks, because I think that in my book, I still think there's a lot of also administrative tasks on the back end that could easily be automated. I think that the one human touch is where I think that we need to really keep it sacred, because I think a lot of top talent out there, they don't really have to do anything. They need to be sold about an opportunity, what's exciting about an opportunity, and I think that you really need that human involved at that piece of the puzzle, so I think that's going to be the toughest piece. I don't think that AI will replace the recruiter anytime soon, because I think that the human piece, the human touch, is one of the things that makes us really special, and I think that that's something that the AI can't capture by any close imagination for quite some years.